Hello, this video tutorial is on how to add, edit, or remove courses from your programs. Please note there may be a new interface, edits or revisions to content or fields on some pages in which a new video may not be created. A new video will be made if any edits or revisions substantially change the functionality of each page. To help guide us as we go into this, I wanted to show you what exactly we are editing in the system. So in the catalog, students will see this portion that I've highlighted here. These are known as the program requirements and the courses that are within each program requirement. So for example, this particular program has requirements for the Certificate of Achievement, and students are required to take all of these courses. And they also have another block where students have some electives that they could choose from. So this right here is what we'll be editing in the system. As you can see here, those blocks are in our curriculum management system. We have requirements for the Certificate of Achievement and the elective portion as well. So let's start with editing a course in an existing program requirement, and then we'll focus later on how to add a program requirement. To add or remove a course, click the down arrow, click Edit Courses and Block. Here you'll see all the courses. And if you want to remove one, you can remove one. If you want to add, you could select Add, and then click on Course Requirement. A new field will appear at the top. Select the down arrow, select your subject, then select the course from that subject. And then when you're done, go ahead and click the up arrow, and that course has been added in. For this demonstration, I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like to remove a course. I'm going to go to CJ1 and click on Remove. And it automatically goes away. You can also edit a course or add a new course that you might be replacing. Let's say you don't want CJ2 anymore. You can actually just go to the CJ2 entry, click the down arrow, and then update the course from there. Click the up arrow when you're done, and the changes will automatically save. If you want to go to the other program requirement block, you would click Return, put the up arrow, and then go to the other program requirement block, select the down arrow, click Edit Courses and Block, and you could do the same thing here. Now let's say you wanted to add another program requirement block. You would go to Add, and then select Program Requirement. Think of this as your header for that section that we saw in the report right here. So think of it as a header. So I'll go back to the form. And let's say I want to say plus 8 units from the following. I now have a new header, and I'm able to add courses to this new program requirement block by clicking Edit Courses and Block. To add courses, click Add, and then click Course. An entry field will come up. Click the down arrow, find your subject, and find the course within that subject, and you've now added a course. You can continue that until you're done adding all the courses. This process will be exactly the same for a new program. You would just be starting from the beginning. So let's go ahead and do that in a new program interface. So now we have a blank canvas, so we're going to go ahead and go to Add your program requirement. Again, you want to think of your program requirement as one of these headers. Click the down arrow and add your header. And then we'll edit courses in the block to add. What I want to show you on this example is how to add a situation where a student can take one course or another one in terms of the requirements, or they have to do 2 courses in the requirements that are connected to one another. This is where the page can get a little wonky, so if you are having trouble, please feel free to contact the curriculum office and we can guide you through this one-on-one via Zoom, however we can to help you. I will do my best in this tutorial to guide you through it. So this is a case again where we're having a situation where students can do one course or the other, or they have to do 2 courses. So you would go to Add, and instead of Course Requirement, select Group. In the group title, select or and, depending on what the situation is. For this one, I'll do or. And within the group, you want to go to Add and then click on Course Requirement. and then click on course requirement again, because this is how we're going to add our 2 courses. So you could see here now it shows this course or this course. I know it's a little tricky. I promise we'll help you through it. It's even almost hard to share a little bit on the tutorial, but got this. So click on the downward arrow, find your subject, and then add your course. Click the up arrow and then do the same thing for the second course. Down arrow, subject, course, click up, and you now have what appears to be an or. So students can take either Business 60 or Business Law 413. Again, you can also change this to and that would change to and. So this is saying the students have to take Business 60 and Business Law 413. And that is how you complete the course requirements tab. I know it's a little wonky, but I promise we'll get you through it. If you need any assistance or you have any questions, please contact the curriculum office and we'll help you through it.